In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate ConvertKit with Framer in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to seamlessly combine the power of your email marketing with an outstanding design tool, you're in the right place. Let's dive straight into the process. To begin, open your web browser and search for ConvertKit. This will take you to the main page where you can log in. Enter your login credentials, and once you're in, head over to the section where you normally design your forms. This is your starting point to grab all the necessary elements you'll need for integration. As you're in the process of designing your form, think about what kind of information you want to capture and how you want it to look. Once you feel satisfied with your form, navigate to the Share page of your ConvertKit form. This is where you will find the vital embed code. This code typically includes a JavaScript file and a specific form ID. These elements are essential because they serve as the link between ConvertKit and your Framer project. Now, on to the next step. Take the embed code you found and replace the default code in your Framer component with this custom code provided by ConvertKit. This step is crucial because it ensures that your specific form and its settings are correctly displayed in Framer. Double-check to make sure any specific form IDs or settings are accurately updated. Doing this step carefully will help prevent any potential issues later on. With the custom code in place, it's time to integrate it into Framer. Drag the custom component onto your Framer page. This is your canvas, where you have the freedom to configure the form as you see fit. You might want to resize the form, adjust its placement, or even tweak some of the design aspects to make sure it blends seamlessly with the rest of your project. As you configure it, always keep the end-user experience in mind. And there you have it, a fully integrated ConvertKit form within your Framer page. This integration allows you to effectively capture leads and engage with your audience, all while maintaining the high design standards that Framer enables. Remember that the key to successful integration lies in clear attention to detail during each step. By ensuring everything is in place correctly, your form will work smoothly and look appealing. Feel free to revisit these steps whenever you need a refresher or when setting up more forms in the future. I hope you found this guide helpful in bridging the gap between your marketing and design workflows. Thanks for watching, and happy creating.